If you're thinking about buying the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizing Drops, here's what you should know first. This is a lightweight, milky moisturizer designed for sensitive, normal, and combination skin. It feels more like a hydrating serum than a traditional cream, absorbs quickly, and leaves the skin feeling soft without a greasy finish. While the brand markets it as a double repair moisturizer, it's important to know that this formula doesn't contain ceramides like the original double repair cream, so its barrier repairing ability isn't as strong. The formula is simple and gentle, featuring niacinamide to help soothe the skin and reduce the appearance of redness, glycerin, and other humectants to provide long-lasting hydration, and La Roche-Posay prebiotic thermal water to calm sensitive skin. It's also fragrance-free, paraben-free, drying alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic, making it a good choice for people with easily irritated or acne-prone skin. The biggest benefit is its lightweight hydration. It layers well under sunscreen and makeup, won't leave a heavy residue, and helps keep the skin comfortable throughout the day. However, if your skin is very dry, flaky, or your skin barrier is severely damaged, you may find that this moisturizer isn't rich enough on its own, and you'll likely need to layer it with thicker cream. For best results, apply 2 to 4 drops to clean skin after your serum and before sunscreen in the morning, or use it as the final moisturizing step in your evening routine. It can be used daily, morning, and night, and works well under makeup. Overall, this is a gentle, reliable everyday moisturizer that delivers good hydration without irritating sensitive skin. It's a great option if you prefer lightweight skincare, but if you're specifically looking for intense barrier repair or a ceramide-rich moisturizer, the original Toleriane Double Repair Cream is still the better choice. Overall rating, 8.5 out of 10.